Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all motions and gestures available on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then if you scroll down we can go to advanced features, and over here we're gonna start with motions and gestures. Over here we have some motions like lift to wake up. So if you turn on the screen, you will be able to turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. You also have the double tap gesture that allows you to turn on or off the screen. We also have the alert when phone picked up, and this is triggered when you pick up your phone after missing a call or a message. We also have mute with gestures, which allows you to, for instance, turn your phone face down in order to mute the incoming call or alarm. And finally, we also have the palm swipe to capture, which allows you to take a screenshot with this gesture. So it works like this. One more time. There we go. Now, in addition to that, if we go back and go to multi-window, we will find two more swipe gestures. One for split screen and one for pop-up view. We can also tap on these options in order to see how they work. So for the split screen, we need to swipe two fingers from the bottom towards the middle. It doesn't work for me this time, unfortunately. There we go. So this is how it works. And we also have for the pop-up view, where we can use the top corner of the app and then move it towards the middle in order to use the pop-up view. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.